Briscoe. You just a baby Briscoe. Briscoe, show him your tail. That's the only way we know him and Bonnie. He's got a white tip on his tail. Say hey everybody out in YouTube land. Say hey to all Mama's friends. That's Mama's friends on there. You like Mama's friends? I do. Welcome back, y'all, to Harmon Homestead. Let's talk about my favorite subject today. I haven't done a chicken video in a while. Let's talk about my favorite chicken. Period. The end. Wyandottes. You can call them Wyandottes. You can call them which way you would like to say, but I call them Wyandottes. Now, they come in a variety of beautiful colors, and I'm going to show you gold, silver, and blue. Now, I've done a video on blue black splash. I know, Briscoe. Blue black splash chicken genetics. Go back. It was like the most terrible filming, but I go over everything with you as far as blue, black, and splash. We're going to go over that again, but I want to talk to you about gold and silver. Technically, guys, you need 5 chickens to have every color in the book of Wyandottes. You need a silver rooster, a silver hen, a gold rooster, a blue rooster, and a blue hen. And if you have those and hatch your own eggs, you're set. You'll have a flock of each color. So let me explain. Okay, guys, so this is one of my gold lace Wyandotte roosters. He's got something wrong with him, and I want to show you what. His comb here, he has a regular comb that sticks up like a Rhode Island red. You do not want that. He is hatched off of purebred gold lace Wyandotte chickens. They are supposed to have rose combs flat on the face. This is how genetics you have to watch. Look at his sticking up there. But I got him because he was the easiest to catch, and he's gold lace. So the lacing with Wyandottes, see all this? They're laced, okay? All those spots. He's gold with black everywhere. That makes him a gold lace Wyandotte, golden lace Wyandotte. You need this rooster, a silver hen, and a silver rooster. If you put him over a silver hen and breed those two together, you will get gold hens that look just like this. The roosters, they will be sex linked, meaning that you'll know from birth what they are, male or female. The roosters will be silver with gold hackle feathers. So those roosters you don't want in your breeding program. Briscoe, I don't know how this is going to go with this chicken. Now's not the time. So with that, though, you don't want to have, oh, hey, that wasn't nice. We got to be nice. You want a good comb, the rose comb. You do not want that, what he's got here. But as far as the lacing, you want him over a silver hen, and you can have gold hens and silver roosters, but don't use those roosters to breed because they'll have gold feathers coming through. If you put him over a gold hen, you'll get gold chicks, gold roosters, gold hens. If you put a silver rooster over a silver hen, you get pure silver. If you put a silver rooster over a gold hen, no good, okay? So you must have a gold rooster over a silver hen to get gold hens, or either a gold rooster over a gold hen, okay? That's how those two work. This is gold. Now, what also looks very similar to this would be black lace red, but they're more of a mahogany here. When you see all of this, that is what you get with blue black splash. The black lace red is part of the blue black splash. You need a blue rooster and a blue hen. Those two will give you 50% blue chicks, 25% splash. They look very white with red, and then 25% will be black with the red. They'll look like this, very similar, but they'll have amber colored feathers, not the gold, okay? And you can keep intertwining those back and forth to get any color you so choose in your breeding program. But again, gold over silver will give you gold hens, and silver roosters with gold hackles. They're sex linked, meaning you can tell at birth what they're going to be. These chicks hatch out and look like little chipmunks. They've got a stripe down their back. You can tell that they'll be a beautiful feathered rooster or hen, whatever they'll be. They're beautiful little chicks. On the gold lace Wyandottes, you want pretty lacing. He's got gorgeous lacing, except he's got this defect with his comb. Again, you want rose combs flat to the head, wide. The lacing in a lot of your breeds will be broken up, meaning the barring and the lacing will not be right. So you'll see this with barred rocks a good bit. You'll see it with Wyandottes. He has complete lacing. You see the black enclose the amber completely there. That's what you want. A lot of times you'll just see like 2 points going down. It must cover all of the feather, the black or whatever he's splashed with. He's got a little damage on his comb where the roosters have kind of picked on him because he's younger, but everybody's kind of sorted it out if you notice anything on his comb. Wyandottes, why do I love these? They lay a big cream colored egg. They're dependable egg layers. I'm gonna say you're gonna get 3 to 4 eggs a week. They're large, very large eggs, but they are dual purpose. And I'm gonna try to hold him out so you can see how big this rooster is. And he's small and he's young. He's very small for a rooster. I mean, they've got a huge chest. They're great for dual purpose. They take a while to start laying, anywhere from, I'm gonna say 7 to 10 months, usually 7 to 9. They mature a little bit slower than the other chickens, but they have so much more body structure. So if you're using these for meat birds, it's great. Now, they're not gonna be like Cornish cross where they're ready to process quickly. You have to wait a while on these. But if you end up with a lot of roosters and you can't, you know, get rid of them or anything like that, nobody wants them, it's not bad to have as dual purpose. But always make sure that you have the rose comb. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to poke your eye. You want beautiful hackle feathers going down, okay? Beautiful tail feather. The plumage is gorgeous. Their feathers will look striped, just like that. The silver is the exact same, except they're white looking, okay? And then you'll have a green tail, pretty much with all roosters. That's a large chicken there. It's not like a black Australorp, but it is large. So again, for the breeding, blue black splash. Get you a blue rooster and a blue hen, and you can have every color. The blue, the black lace red, and the splash. Breed those two together. Then you can go back and forth, okay? If you have a splash and a blue, you get 50% blue, 50% splash. If you have splash and black, you get 100% blue. If you have splash and, let's see here, I said splash and black. Let's say you have blue and black. You get 50 blue, 50 black. Black is very dominant, okay? Black and black gives you 100% black. Blue and blue gives you all colors. Splash and splash gives you, splash and splash gives you 100% splash. So you just, if you can get that in your mind, then you'll be able to breed. But as far as gold and silver, gold and gold always gives you gold. Silver and silver always gives you silver. Gold over silver hen gives you gold hens, okay? That's the only way you can weasel around and do that if you'd like all colors here. You must have the silver rooster, okay? So, yeah, that's what we got. That's what we've got with Wyandottes. You can also find buff Wyandottes now. You can look at the Colombian, what they originated from. All the lacing guys, they just mixed up breeds to get this. This didn't hatch out of the egg like this. This was people messing around with chickens for years and got to this plumage. And they're beautiful, they're great. They're not mean. The hens are huge. The hens and the roosters are huge. The only problem I would notice is they're probably more susceptible to predators like chicken hawks picking them up because they can't run as fast because they're so big. That's the problem. They're just low and stocky and fat. That's these chickens, but they're very active. They're great foragers. As far as the best egg laying production, no, but it is a good egg, okay? So, guess you see, now we got Bonnie back there. All right, so that's Wyandottes today. That's really all I can think about as far as these. I hate his comb isn't flush with his head, but we've got several roosters here. Oh, he is not happy, y'all. I'm gonna put him back in his pen. But I just want to do the Wyandotte breeding for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know below. But give Wyandottes a try. They were my very first. I got silvers and we went from there. The blue is extremely popular. A lot of people want blue chicks, blue lace red Wyandottes. So anyways, we'll see you guys next time on Harmon Homestead.